guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noelle, and today we are going to be doing, as you can see by the title, 5 easy, simple, and cute everyday hairstyles that you can wear wherever, whenever. Super simple. I work about every single day, and these are the 5 styles that I rotate in and out. You're gonna see in the video how quick and easy it is to do all of these hairstyles. Let's get right into it. Hi guys, so I'm starting off with wetting my hair, and trying to do this part was crazy. Here I am jamming. That's my favorite song right now. We're gonna grab our gel and we're gonna go ahead and smooth down into a low pony. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that piece in the front of my head. And I'm gonna fix my sideburns, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my ponytail and apply some products so that I get that wet look. So for my next style, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair all the way down to the back. Here I'm just making sure it's straight and it's perfect. Next, I'm just gonna tie one side up and start with the other side. I leave this front piece out. I'm gonna grab some gel and just throw it on the perimeter of the ponytail, and I'm just gonna smooth it and secure it. Same thing goes for the other side. Once again, I'm just going to wet my hair for that wet look. So this style is very similar to the last one I just showed you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and gather all the hair. I'm not leaving any pieces out, and I'm gonna go ahead and twist it kind of like a top knot and throwing it in a bun. Same thing goes on the other side. And for me, my edges must be done. It's crucial. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some earrings on so I can avoid looking like a little boy. For this next look, I'm gonna start off by taking out the 2 pieces in the front. I'm gonna push back all the hairs, all the edges. I don't want them out or done for this look. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth everything back and throw it in a ponytail. If you're not feeling the pony, go ahead and throw your hair into a bun. This last look is personally my go-to. So now I'm just going to smooth all my hair back and secure it with some elastics. I'm going back in with my mousse just so I can throw it back on the ponytail, and I'm gonna start doing a 3-strand braid all the way down. Like I said, my edges must be done. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving me. Comment down below which one of these hairstyles was your favorite. Like this video if you want to see more hairstyles with hair being down. I know most of these were updos because, you know, technically when you're in a rush, I don't know, when I'm in a rush, I put my hair up. My hair's never really done actually, so that's that on that. Turn that bell button on so you guys get notified every time I upload a video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you guys. Love you.